20, 14, 15. 20 entrance looks good. First block just looks like maybe some level difference at the end. Hard to see, just looks like Yora gets spat out just a little bit there at the end. And it's pretty typical when we have these slightly longer builds into the 14s, Nadia, that you over-rotate. You know, this is plenty of distance. Otto, Yora, and Nadia, just kind of watch. See that? Both of you guys are real straight. Just makes it a little bit easier. Like if you could stop there, it would be good. 14s look good and 15s look excellent. The shape on the 15s looks really nice. Otto, I'm really enjoying watching your move here. Nadia's giving you such a good target as well. From the end of the 15, she's just placing herself that perfect distance away from Yora, and then also just staying real balanced and moving forwards to Nadia at the end. Okay, the 20s, the first couple after the entrance one, it looks like Nadia's powering Yora a little bit. So there you go. Center point should be around Nadia's head, and the piece. There you go. So the piece is moving around Yora slightly at the beginning. So we need Yora to initiate the move, and then Nadia just to bring him in, and then the two of you just to kind of balance each other, flying your knees around each other. Whoops, excuse me. To keep the piece rotating in place. Just check the cog in on this. Really nice, Matthew. I think you were missing that before. Look at that target on the 14s, guys. I hope you feel the benefit of it as well. I know that last time we were looking at Matthew just rotating a little too quick, pushing Nadia out, but that looks way better. Again, good 15. Yeah, so again, it looks like just a little bit of overpowering. We over-rotate the centerpiece as well. One way to think about this is once the piece is initiated, so Yora gets going into there, and then Nadia, this knee should be coming down. Yeah, so this knee's coming down, and then Yora just balances with you. So at this point, Yora, you just kind of give the control a little bit to Nadia, please. There we go, Nadia's knee's coming down, and the two of you just keep the piece rotating around Nadia's chest. It's still sliding out a little bit, which means it's still moving around Yora, which the physics tells me that there's more power coming from Nadia. Yeah. I don't think, Yora, that you need to do more. I think it's just finding that little balance from between you. This is my favorite one. It looks like, there you go, Yora initiates, he gets going, and then now Nadia starts moving around Yora, and then Yora's knees down, Nadia's knees down. The piece is just staying way more in the center of the tunnel. That's perfect. Really good, guys. Keep it like that. Good finishes on the 14s. Nice and light touch on the back there, Matthew. I know it looks like you're getting caught up on Yora's legs, but you just looks like you stay real light and allow it for him to keep moving through the center, which is good. Very nice. 20 again in the center. Looks just like it took a few reps to get you guys working together on it. Again, Nadia, really like your consistency on the 15s. It's something that we've been working on. Okay. Didn't mention anything about Otto and Matthew on the 20s, simply because it looks like you guys are sticking with the plan. The things that we worked on the last camp, last session, was Matthew being completely straight, turning in place, waiting, and then that little move to the catch. Otto being consistent with your move, looks real nice. Well, that was a real good 20. I think we talked about that one before. Cool. And now that we're starting to get real good 15s, let's just look at the next stage that we want to go to from here. So the 15 shape is perfect at the beginning. We don't want to change that. That's excellent. And then now at the second part, we're just going to be asking Nadia, Matthew, that's fine, Nadia, just to finish a little more cheated at the end. So keeping your knee just here, don't change the position of your knee, otherwise Otto's going to struggle. But you can start to bring your center point a little bit closer for the finish so that you have your subsequent move to whatever it is, because you've always got a big move into the center after a 15 generally. Sorry, that was a poor English. You generally have a long move in to something after the 15, so just work on a little bit tighter finish now that the 15 shape builds are doing so well.